Hello friends, myself Shivkumar. Today we are going to learn how to extract the data from the PDF, and after that we are doing some more work with that PDF. Means first we extract the data from the PDF, then the extracted data we will store in the Excel. So after storing that data in Excel, we have some table. Then with the help of Action Center, we prompt the user like is there any modification required with their data or not. If not, then approve it. After the approve, the data will store in the data services. Once the data store in the data services, that data will visible to the UiPath app. So it's a complete project. In that project, we are reading the data from the PDF and storing the data in the Excel. After that, there may be a situation that data we are storing in the Excel may be required some modification or maybe not. That decision depend upon the user, final user. With the help of Action Center, we are giving this functionality to take an action on that particular data. Once the data is verified, then we store in the data service and show that data in the app. Continue with this series. This is a project. In this project, you will learn many of the things. So for this project, I am using the code, means reading the PDF data with the help of a code, not using the OCR and the document understanding. Why? I will let you know in the future video. So stay with me. Thanks.